And welcome back. Let's take a look at the stories in our news diary now. The Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture is expected to hear evidence related to the Free State Asbestos project from the head of the province's Human Settlements Department when it resumes this morning.
A police officer is expected to appear in the Uitenhage Magistrates Court in the Eastern Cape today on a charge of statutory rape. He was arrested yesterday by the Independent Police Investigative Directorate after he allegedly raped an 8-year-old girl.
And just recapping those statistics once again, the confirmed number of COVID-19 cases in South Africa now at 618,286. Total number of deaths, 13,628. A total of 531,338 people have since recovered. And that means the number of active cases right now in South Africa is at 73,320.
Right, those are those numbers. If you need any details, 0800 029 999 and the WhatsApp service 0600 123 456.
Right, here are those provincial statistics. Starting in Gauteng, 208,156 cases of COVID-19. KwaZulu-Natal, 111,585. Western Cape has 105,273 positive cases. Eastern Cape, 85,625. 36,419 in the Free State. Northwest Province, 24,805. Mpumalanga, 23,677. Limpopo, 12,867. And the Northern Cape has 9,829 positive cases. And the total number of tests conducted to date, 3,617,982.
Right, let's just break it down for you in statistics coming from the last 7 days. So we can see our recoveries are moving fast ahead. I mean, I think sitting at an 86% recovery rate, which is unbelievable. So from last Friday, there were 500,102 recoveries. And then, of course, the recovery rate from last night, 531,338. That's what we were doing in terms of recoveries. Then, of course, the new cases that have been reported, they have really dropped since what we had previously seen, which was quite sort of daunting at one point, where we were over 15,000 in a day. Now we're sitting at last night reported 2,585 new cases in a 24-hour period, and you could see they're keeping under the 3,000 mark, sometimes above 3,000, but in general the numbers are quite a lot lower than previously. The deaths being reported, though, still a steady an increase in deaths, unfortunately. So 13,628 the total deaths at this point, and last week it was sitting at 12,853.
Right, brings us to our question of the day now. And this morning we're asking, what are your views regarding the relationship between communities and the police following the killing of 16-year-old Nathaniel Julius, allegedly by police in Eldorado Park? And as you saw in the newspapers as well, two of the front pages coming to that story as well. At Morning Live SABC, Morning Live SABC, as we await your response.